In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to put air in your motorcycle tires, and I'm going to keep it short and to the point because that's how I like all my how-to videos to be. So I'm going to get right to it. First thing you're going to want to do is locate an air pump that is good for vehicle tires. Okay, so once you've done that, you're going to want to make sure you know how much needs to go in each tire. It's a little bit different depending on the bike. There's not a huge difference from bike to bike, but there is some. So just double check whether it's in the owner's manual or you Google it, how much air needs to go in each tire. It's also different between the front and the back. And make sure you park where you can actually access the valve, because I did not. Okay, so you're going to want to access the valve. Punch in the number you need, and then get this in on there. You'll just sit and wait until the machine beeps at you. That'll let you know it's full. Just like that. We'll come over here to the back one. That off.
Friend,
Yeah.
when you this camera, I'm a biker too,
Mm.
and I would like to record. Do you do that with your voice? Do you say?
Yeah. Yeah.
So you'll, and it's an aftermarket thing. I got a full lid like you. So who makes that?
This is a GoPro.
GoPro.
Yeah.
And it's particularly for bikes.
No, they're just for anything really.
Well, when you're cruising, do you say film or something, or is it?
No, you have to turn it on beforehand and then just start riding.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, keep the rubber side now. How fast have you had this?
About 140, 150. Yeah. Yeah. Pretty fun.
I'm going out this afternoon.
Oh, have fun. Okay, anyways. There we go. Now I got it. But same thing as the front, you just wait for it to start beeping at you to let you know it's done. And there you go. I had no idea what that guy was going to ask me. That isn't it. That's how you do it. You should do it. That should be part of your regular motorcycle maintenance. You want to check that often, especially when it starts getting colder and stuff and temperatures change. That's when you really need to pay attention to it. But yeah, it's as simple as that. I would do it every couple weeks at least. And yeah, this is good for your bike to have the amount of air you need. And it's not hard to do. So hope that was helpful, and thank you for watching.